I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Kip Does Stuff. Today, we're going to do a little bit of shop infrastructure with my Performax 9-inch bandsaw I got from Menards. Okay, you see inside here, we've got our blade, and on the back, there's a handle you can't see for tension, taking the tension on and off the blade. And I didn't know that you're supposed to release the tension every time you leave the saw sitting unused for a longer period of time. The problem with that is, as you see, tension off, tension on, you can't see this handle back here. Plus I gotta come around to the side to do it. I'm not really sure where it's at. So today I'm going to put an extension on it so that it can be seen, so that when it's tensioned, it will stick out this side, and when it's untensioned, it'll stick out right here. And I'll be able to see it, and I'll paint into the extension red, make it even more visible. So let's get started. Here on the lathe, I've got a piece of magnolia somewhere in the 8.5 inch range. It's about 2 inches or so in diameter. I'm going to turn it down to anywhere between an inch, inch and a quarter on this end, and maybe 1.5 inches or more on this end. Just kind of taper it down. Nothing fancy, doesn't have to be fancy, it's just a handle. And now we'll install the handle. Drive it home with a couple of love taps. Still have to paint the tip of it red, but it works. Fully tensioned, untensioned. And this thing is within the footprint of the machine, so I don't have to worry about it being in the way. I think this will help me remember to detension the blade. Thanks for watching.